Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with DaVinci Resolve. In order to do so, first off, if you are on the DaVinci Resolve program itself, then if you look around, you're not going to find any specific options here in order to delete the account. You can also take a look at the DaVinci Resolve cloud site, and you have your account settings here. It's at apps.cloud.blackmagicdesign.com. However, here as well, you're not going to find any option to delete your account. What you're looking to do is to go to the support for DaVinci Resolve, and that's actually with blackmagicdesign.com/support. From here, if you scroll down, you'll see that you can send an email or you can contact them by telephone. I would recommend sending an email. If you click that there, then you can enter in your information and you can send a message here and just inform them that you're looking to delete your account. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.